Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm just gonna do a little vlog about my little one-day Montreal trip I took. But it's not a vlog because I barely recorded any vlog parts, so I'm just gonna do like a talking over the pictures and showing the videos I took. So yeah, on the train ride there, went through Silent Hill. It was pretty creepy. Yep. Not much to say here. On the way to the hotel, I ran into a couple silly things I wanted to show my roommate. He's a bike guy, so showed him these sick bikes, and then homies, there's a little donut place. Yep. Here's a the hotel room tour video. Hope you enjoy. Hey guys, who's ready for a room tour? Got 1 gig of bed. Okay. Manual light switch. Like this. Think that locks it. Whatever. Oh, let's check out this bathroom. Very nice. Comes with towels, of course. Very cool. I don't know what that stuff is. We got the French. So let's take my shoes off. What's the view look like from the 2nd floor? View check. Not much going on. Just like a back alley and whatever this thing is. Oh, I got my safe box. Some flowers. And the phone. Glasses and some bowl. I don't know what that's for. I ain't ever sitting in this thing. This thing doesn't look like it can support my weight. Okay. We got a little Keurig. Some cups. All right. Where's my Bible? I need my complimentary Bible. Could it be in here? What the frick? Videotron. Is this a DVD player? What is this thing? I don't know. Some ancient technology. Oh, it comes with a hidden pillow. And a hidden blanket? Question mark? Oh, now this chair. Now this one looks like it can support my weight. Thanks for coming to my room tour. Oh, wait. What's this room? Oh, the mini fridge. Oh, yeah. Now that is sick. Right. Bye. And it was sick. That's where I stored my booze for my solo alcohol drinking in the hotel. Anyway, moving on. So before my concert, which I was going to later on, I was like, well, I gotta get food in me. So I was like, what place I wanted to go to like this Ghibli themed sushi buffet, but it was a little too far away to make it back in time. So instead I just went to Chinatown nearby, and I was like, I'm just gonna get someone from here. And then I saw there was a ramen place. I was like, yeah, that ramen place looks sick. And then nope, it was closed. And then so I was like, okay, I guess I'll go explore some more. I found another ramen place, also closed. And I'm like, what the frick? And then I was like, I just looked up with someone else and just ended up going for Korean food. It's like, I don't remember what it was called, but yeah, I got it's like seafood green onion pancake and a bulgogi bibimbap. Yep. The pancake was pretty good. The bibimbap was like it was alright. Alright, time to get to the concert. This is where I recorded most of the stuff. And it's probably just gonna be mostly just playing videos, but yeah. Yeah, the people at the concert is very like gothy. Goth, black clothing, and then just middle-aged bald dudes. I pretty much fit right in. So yeah, we'll start with the first girl. Her name was Desire, and she played like 40 minutes, and yeah, she kind of just I'll just show the video. Yeah, so her whole thing was kind of just strutting her stuff around, and I don't know. The music was quite mid. The crowd gave no reaction. She literally tried to get the crowd to clap at some points, and they didn't even do it. And yeah, it was not good. Then the next artist was Health, which I listened to some music. I thought he was gonna be the main event, but he was not. And I don't think I recorded much from him, so I'll just describe because I thought it was gonna be good, but then mostly it was not because he had like this voice changer that like made his voice like high pitched, and he used it for every single song. So almost every single song sounded the exact same. So like I was like done by like 3 or 4 of them. But his intro, this was kind of funny hearing this. More excited for him than Desire, though. Yeah. Weird anime opening. It was strange. And then I just got like a video of them headbanging. I didn't really record any of the singing. I don't know why. I don't even know. Anyway, moving on to who I went for, Carpenter Brut. Yeah, I know this guy because of Hotline Miami. I'm curious how many people in the crowd do it because of Hotline Miami. There's definitely a few because I saw there was a couple dudes in the crowd. Well, one that for sure like had like the chicken mask from Hotline Miami, which was sick. He got like, well, I'll start off with like saying like he started the concert saying that like what is it? Crowd surfing is allowed, and he literally had like a security guard up front to like catch the people that crowd surfed up to the front. And yeah, yeah, the chicken guy got crowd surfed once, and I was like, oh, hey, wait a second, chicken jockey. No, I didn't do it. No. Anyway, yeah, this is probably gonna be a bunch of like their music. It was so good. It was crazy hearing like Hot Man music live. That was the intro. Crazy aura. Well, you'll see more of it later. Oh, I gotta freaking. No! Okay. Anyways, moving on to this one. I guess it's all recorded there. Next slide. Hello? Aren't you listening to me? Hello? Slides? Nope. Okay, there we go. Roller coaster. was so hyped for him. It was so good. The way his legs stands up, it's like, oh. More videos from him. Oh yeah, so here he said split in two, and it was like right in the center here. Like for some reason, he like keep splitting, and like he got like everyone is split in half, and I don't understand why. Because then as soon as the song just started up, they all just ran right back into the middle, and they took the space back. But it was funny. Also, this next one, so you see a good clip of crowd surfing. Yeah, so that like happened like pretty constantly throughout the Carpenter Brut part of the show, where they just like people in the middle. I was like in the side-ish, so I didn't even get to like help them out or even think of it. Yeah, right in the middle. They just kept crowd surfing up to the front. Different people. It was sick. Hey, hearing my own voice. Anyway, on to yeah. So the concert was sick. I went home and I like ate a whole can of Pringles and went to bed. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wake up early for the next day. I want to do some exploration. I got some ideas to do the next day. And yeah, I proceeded to not do that. I set my alarm for 9:45, and then I kept sleeping in until like close to 11. But I still had time to get the exploration in, so it was pretty sick. So I started off my day. Well, this is a lie. I went to the underground shopping center because it looked cool and the pictures looked cool, and it wasn't that cool. It was all right. There was like an underground one I went to Australia, which was way cooler. But yeah, my roommate, he wanted some Krispy Kreme donuts, so I got some photos of Krispy Kreme there because we don't got Krispy Kreme over here. Which, yep. So yeah, well, I'll get. Yeah, actually, there's not much to get back to. I bought a box of 12 because I thought they had a six boxer, but no, they only have 12. So I was like, well, I'll get the full thing. And all I brought was like a giant like backpack, like a hiking backpack, and I had just stuck it upright in my backpack and prayed for the best. And when we got back, they were not honestly that squished. It like held together pretty well, so that was fun. So my first goal of the day was to go to the peak, and then this big ramp of a road all the way up led to a staircase, which led to the top of this hill here, and that's where I wanted to go. And it just kind of looked like I just took like a creep shot. This girl that was way too late to change, but I just literally pulled my phone out, took a snap, and I didn't realize she was there. It's like, gotta get going, my light green. All right, and then yeah, skip right to it. There's a ton of stairs. I get to the peak, but these don't really do it much justice. I got a little video, whatever, right next. Except there's some dude talking the whole time. Yeah, boy. There's some like Indian guy next to me. Oh yeah, and then there's the bridge like way at the other end. I think that one leads to the casino. It's sick being able to see like all the way across the city from here. It's just cool how this was like it's just accessible in the city. It's so cool. Anyway, moving on. I decided to see where we saw that bridge. I was like, I'm gonna go down there. I'm gonna go down by the river. And yeah, I just proceeded to walk. Oh yeah, I didn't take transport at all this whole time. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna walk because the city seems very walkable. I mean, this was like an hour walk from up here, but I did it. I walked all the way down there, and then yeah, I got a couple photos. There's like this one of like this is apparently like I looked it up because this design is insane, but it's like a mortgage realty or something. I don't know, some kind of realty thing. But it's across the water. They obviously did this on purpose. And I was like, why? What is this building? It's absurd looking. And just a little side view. It's over here, and then I don't know. You can see more of the water. And then further down, I went. There's some ice still floating there. You can see the big wheel, big Ferris wheel. That's pretty cool. Yeah. And then oh yeah. So then I was slow down. So after this picture, we went and I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna start heading back to the station. I think maybe it says it's supposed to rain before my train comes, and I was like, well, I want to get some food before then. So I was like, well, on the way, I looked up a place nearby, and I was like, wait a second, a minute from where I am, there's a ramen place, yo! And I finally got my ramen I wanted. Yeah, you know, Montreal, they're known for ramen and Korean food. Yeah, not Patin at all. No, I don't know. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. What do I mean? I don't know. They're known for Patin, but I don't. I think it's mid. I had it once before. I was like, I'm gonna just get the international foods. Yeah, so I got a spicy pork ramen. It's pretty good. It was kind of small compared to the portions we get here, but it was enough of all I really needed. I didn't want to bloat myself, and I'm pretty sure the waitress was Korean instead of Japanese, but it was because her name was like. Was it Chundong or something? I was like, that's not a Japanese name. Yeah, and then it started to rain, started pouring kind of hard, but it was like 10 minutes from the train station, so I just got there, got a little soaked, it was icky, and then took the train home. I didn't take any other videos. That was all it. So yeah, thanks for coming to my vlog. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye. Oops, I clicked the wrong button. Bye bye.